Crazy Chef Productions. Right, today we're going to do another green curry dish because we've got some green curry to use up. We're going to do a vegetable green curry. So we're going to, I've looked at all the bits and pieces I need. Now just pick what stuff you've got in your larder that you want to use up. I've got a leek, I've got some mushrooms. That's the leek. Mushrooms, a red pepper, chili pepper, couple of potatoes and an onion, and some garlic puree. I've got green curry, I've got coconut milk, basil, coriander, marjoram and oregano, and I've still got a little bit of miso. I might put some miso in it. So I'm going to prepare the bits and pieces and I'll go to the hob. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel because we can really do with the coverage. And if you want to comment below. And if you've got any ideas you want to see done, just put it in the comments and we see what we can do. Anyway, subscribe to the channel, please. Right, over to the hob. We're on the hob. I'm warming up the hob. I use a lot. I use a wok because I prefer to use a wok. Right, and now I'm going to put some groundnut oil in, which is the same as peanut oil. You can use sunflower oil, but don't use olive oil because olive oil's got too large smoking point and there's chance of carcinogenic action. Olive oil is much better for salads. Let it warm up a bit. Now, I've got some onions, leeks, pepper, mushrooms. And that's what I'm going to start with. Ceramic hobs take a little bit of a while to heat up, and like gas hobs or induction hobs are more quicker. Right. That's good for now. Now it's softened down a bit. Right, it's nice and soft. I'm now going to add some mushrooms and the red pepper. I'll put it all in. Like probably too much here, but there's probably enough for two here. I'm now going to add some coconut milk just to sort of stop it burning. The hob, this is now nice and soft. I've actually put in half an avocado because I had one overspent when I throw it out. But I'm now going to put the green curry in. Thai green curry, about I don't know, a couple of soup spoons. Very much do it, try it and taste it because I don't want to put too much in, but it's an individual thing. I'm just having this, I'm not doing this with rice, I'm just going to have it standard. It tastes nice. I'll stick some herbs here, stick some oregano or oregano, or whatever you want to call it. Marjoram. It's just my favourite herbs. I mean, you know, make your own mind how you want. A bit of coriander. A little bit of coriander. Oops. Basil. This is pretty old. Herbs last quite a while, but I prefer fresh herbs if I can get them, but the current climate I can't really get them. Lime juice. Squeeze a lime in, some lime juice. And I'm going to stick some garlic puree in. I would cut up garlic, but it's just convenient for me to use garlic puree. I prefer to have the real stuff, but it's just easier for me to do this in night. Right. It's now ready, and we can now plate up. And put it in a pasta bowl rather than a flat plate. I'll put it all in. As I say, we do rustic food. We're not don't necessarily interested to make it all pretty. But there we are. That's your vegetable green Thai vegetable curry. Yeah. Okay.